Now let us move on to lesson 2, Dvitiyaha Pataha, Sri Ramaya Namaha. So salutations to Sri Rama. Again, we see the word Namaha. So that has to be used in conjunction with the Chaturthi Vibhakti. So hence the Chaturthi Vibhakti of Rama is Ramaya. So therefore we have Ramaya Namaha. So now let us take a look at this lesson. Kaha Eshaha Balakaha. Kaha is who? Eshaha Balakaha. Eshaha Balakaha. Balakaha is boy. Eshaha Balakaha refers to this boy. So, summing up, Kaha Eshaha Balakaha is who is this boy? So, Eshaha Balakaha Ramaha. Eshaha Balakaha, this boy Ramaha is Rama. So now our attention is drawn to another boy and he is none other than Rama. So the first sentence, Kaha Eshaha Balakaha is who is this boy? The answer is Eshaha Balakaha Ramaha. This boy is Rama. Ramaha Kasya Putraha Asti. Ramaha Rama Kasya Putraha. Whose son? Kasya is whose, Putraha son, Asti is. So whose son is Rama? So Ramaha Kasya Putraha Asti, whose son is Rama. So the answer to that is Ramaha Dasharathasya Putraha. So Rama is Dasharathasya of Dasharatha, Putraha son. So Ramaha Dasharathasya Putraha. Rama is the son of Dasharatha. Kaha Eshaha Dasharathaha. Kaha who? Eshaha Dasharathaha. Eshaha Dasharathaha is this Dasharatha. So who is this Dasharatha? Dasharathaha Ayodhyayaha Raja Asti. So Dasharatha Ayodhyayaha of Ayodhya. Raja, king, Asti, again is. So Dasharatha is the king of Ayodhya. Dasharathaha Ayodhyayaha Raja Asti. Dasharatha is the king of Ayodhya. Dasharathaha Ramasya Pita. Dasharathaha Dasharatha Ramasya of Rama Pita father. So Dasharathaha Ramasya Pita. Dasharatha is the father of Rama. Ramaha Dasharatham Namati. Namati worships or salutes. Ramaha Dasharatham Namati. Rama salutes Dasharatha. Ramasya Mata Ka. Ramasya of Rama, Mata, mother, Ka, who. So Kaha is the same who, but in masculine it is Kaha. Who in masculine is Kaha. Who in feminine is Ka. So since Mata is feminine, we employ the word Ka. So Ramasya Mata Ka. So who is Rama's mother, or who is the mother of Rama? Ramasya is of Rama. So who is the mother of Rama? Ramasya Mata Kausalya. Kausalya, Mata is mother, Ramasya of Rama. So Kausalya is the mother of Rama. Tasmat Kausalya Dasharathasya Bharya. Tasmat, therefore, Kausalya Dasharathasya of Dasharatha Bharya. Bharya is wife. So therefore, the conclusion is Kausalya is the wife of Dasharatha. Ramaha Kausalyam Namati. Namati again is worships or salutes. So Ramaha Kausalyam Namati. Rama salutes Kausalya. Ramaha Mataram Namati. Mataram refers to his mother. So Ramaha Mataram Namati. So, Rama salutes mother. Okay. So Mataram is mother. So Mataram is the Dvitiya Vibhakti of the Matra Shabda. So Rama salutes mother. Ramaha Pitaram Namati. Rama, again Pitaram is a Dvitiya Vibhakti of the Pitra Shabda. So Rama salutes father. So Dvitiya Vibhakti refers to the object in the sentence. So the subject is the Prathama Vibhakti The object is indicated by the Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Rama salutes father. Okay. Saha Mata Pitarau Namati. Saha refers to he, and he in this case refers to Rama. So Saha refers to Ramaha. Mata Pitarau Namati. So here the dual of the object Dvitiya is introduced. So Mata Pitaro. So there are two entities in Sanskrit. In addition to singular and plural, we also have the dual, and it is indicated when two entities are mentioned together. That time the dual is used. So the usage is like this: Mata Pitaro. So you have the Mata and the Pita, and when you bring them together as we employ the dual there. So Mata Pitaro Namati. Mata Pitrubhyam Namaha. No, sorry, Matru Pitrubhyam Namaha. So here again the word Namaha comes, and we saw that the Chaturthi Vibhakti has to be used. So here the dual case and the Chaturthi Vibhakti. So Matra Pitrabhyam Namaha. So we have both the dual and the Chaturthi Vibhakti. So therefore we have Matra Pitrabhyam Namaha. So let us read the lesson once again. Dvitiyaha Pathaha Shri Ramaya Namaha. Kaha Eshaha Balakaha Eshaha Balakaha Ramaha. Ramaha Kasya Putraha Asti. Ramaha Dasharathasya Putraha. Kaha Eshaha Dasharathaha. Dasharathaha Ayodhyayaha Raja Asti. Dasharathaha Ramasya Pita. Ramaha Dasharatham Namati. Ramasya Mata Ka. Ramasya Mata Kausalya. तस्मात् कौसल्या दशरथस्य भार्या रामः कौसल्यां नमति रामः मातरं नमति रामः पितरं नमति सः मातापितरौ नमति मातृपितृभ्यां नमः.